At the heart of North America's automotive corridor, Waterloo is leading automotive research and creating groundbreaking technologies. We have a complete concept to commercialization ecosystem that can put your company in overdrive. Home to OEM giants like Toyota and Ford, and a large community of Autotech companies, Waterloo is creating a smarter, safer, and more connected future. Our community's unique combination of research centers, automotive manufacturers, and technology companies makes us a North American leader in autonomous vehicle technology, material design, artificial intelligence, and more. The University of Waterloo is home to Canada's largest university-based automotive research center and globally recognized programs in artificial intelligence, engineering, and computer science. Want to be on the cutting edge of automotive technology? The future of automotive innovation is here. Join us.